Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. In today's video, I have this lovely 3-bedroom apartment for sale in Bengaluru. This beautiful house is available for sale at Shraddha Whitecliff, which is located in Whitefield, Bangalore East. The apartment faces west direction and is located on the 3rd floor. Religious places, banks and ATMs, hospitals, the very best schools and colleges, important business centers are very much nearby from the project site. The flat is located in a gated community with amenities like swimming pool, park, fitness center, clubhouse, intercom facility, rainwater harvesting and many more. It's a semi-furnished flat with one covered parking. So basically it's a G+5 structure building with total 4 towers and 160 plus units. Moreover, it's a freehold property with access to full power backup and 24/7 supply of water. Overall, the entire flat is spread across 1590 square feet of built up area and has got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 2 balconies. The flat is available for sale from the direct owner and the asking price for this flat is 1 crore 15 lakhs and is negotiable. That's it folks from this video. Meet you all in the next one.